bird. And you got the nice houses over here with the great view. Look at this pile of seaweed. Ugh, that's weird. Oh my god. It's crazy. There's actually birds swimming in the water. That bird's crazy. It's freezing. Poor. You got one lonely seagull over here. A few over there. It's weird. Some of those birds have like white heads and they're dark. Some have dark heads and they're lighter. Pretty cool. And you got like, I don't know what they are, swans or something. Geese? I don't know. Some big bird. Car is way back there. My GoPro housing is drenched. The pole is drenched. My hands are freezing. But it rarely rains in California. We get weather like this, so I want to go out and enjoy it. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Anyways, I guess we'll just press the button on the top.